Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to open your Settings app on your Android device. Tap on the Settings icon, and once it loads, you're ready to move forward. Step 2. Next, scroll down until you find the About Phones section. This is usually near the bottom of the Settings menu. Tap on it to open the device information page. Step 3. Now here's the important part. Look for the build number option in the About Phones section. You'll need to tap the build number 7 times rapidly. Yes, 7 times. Your phone might show a countdown, and that's completely normal. Step 4. After tapping build number 7 times, you should see a notification that says you're now a developer. It'll let you know that developer options are now enabled on your device. Step 5. Finally, go back to the main Settings menu and scroll down. You'll now see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on it to access advanced settings like USB debugging, mock locations, and performance tools. These options are super useful for testing and troubleshooting your Android experience.